Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the BMW X3 we've currently got for sale, featuring a 3-litre diesel engine with the M Sport package and also the xDrive and that brilliant automatic transmission as well. You'll have peace of mind motoring this vehicle with a full BMW service history. There's also a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves as well. Starting off at the front there, you've got your full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And down the side of the car, you've got these gorgeous 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. As you can see, you've got your blue brake calipers there as part of the optionally fitted M Sport Plus package. You've got power folding heated wing mirrors, privacy glass on the B-pillar backwards, as well as this optionally fitted panoramic sunroof. There's a huge amount of boot space available as well with split folding seats. You can also fold down just the centre part for any longer items, and plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases. You have ease of access as well with the electric tailgate, which you can also open with the key fob. Moving inside, you've got lovely full leather upholstery with a centre armrest and a couple of cup holders to keep your rear passengers comfortable. And at the front of the vehicle, you benefit from a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and also that centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you've also got satellite navigation on board with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. Just running through the infotainment system, you can see you've got your full service history and your brake fluid, everything up to date there. You've also got the ambient lighting pack available. There's loads of different colours to choose from to transform the interior while driving at night. And to help with parking as well as front and rear parking sensors, you've also got a rear view camera. Got multiple driver modes also available. It's got your sport setting, the comfort setting and an Eco Pro setting as well to help save some fuel. And a little bit further down the cabin, you've got jaws and climate control as well as heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings, with a little bit of storage just below there, and also a USB port to charge a device.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.